everybody. A couple days ago we posted a video on guaranteed universal life insurance, and today we wanted to talk about a really great feature that some of those policies have, and that's a return of premium feature. We're Shannon and Michael, we're with Healthcare Genius, and we are here to help. We want to educate you about guaranteed universal life, like I said, with that return to premium rider today that can be really beneficial. So Michael, do you want to give us a little overview on what that entails?
One of the things that is really interesting in these products is the fact that you can accumulate money in them through this return of premium, and then at a later date, typically it's 20 years, sometimes 15, you can actually, if you no longer need the insurance, you can turn around and take what that return of premium is and have those dollars tax-free because you paid for them with after-tax to begin with. So this has been an idea that we've used as one way to fund for those healthcare costs in retirement that people will be facing with Medicare and out-of-pocket premiums.
So the whole concept of return of premium, sometimes in terms of insurance, kind of sounds like to some people that it's too good to be true. Is there a downside to having this feature?
Well, I think a lot of people would look at it and say I can make more money in the market. In other words, it's a higher cost for this kind of a product, so why would I give the insurance company my money if they're just going to give it back to me? But it kind of misses the whole savings point of things, because in addition, you've had that coverage for that, we use 20 years as an example. You've had life insurance coverage for that whole time. You can still keep it. Most of the time we're designing these plans to end at age 65, so there are no more premium payments at that point, and then you can make the decision whether you need that death benefit for your family or not. Another product that just recently came out from one of the companies we use is a guaranteed indexed universal life policy that has a return of premium, and it actually allows you to pick different indexes to invest in, and when you look at the results for that plan, it's even a better plan than the traditional guaranteed UL with return of premium.
Okay, so on that product there's a little bit more upside, but it is still guaranteed to a certain extent, correct?
That's right. It actually has the same guarantees. In this case of this particular company, the premiums are roughly the same. You just have the ability to pick different indexes like the S&P to participate in. And then what we see on this one, the guaranteed cash value, if you go ahead and keep the policy in place, is certainly better than the traditional products. So for somebody who's looking at these types of products, it can be very valuable.
Okay, so for the guaranteed universal life or GUL with the return of premium, or guaranteed indexed universal life, GIUL, with return of premium, are these common products that are out there? If somebody's interested in looking into that, what would be the best way to do so? Can you contact any insurance company? Are they common, or what's the best way to find them?
We would say they're probably more of a niche product. You don't see them, every company doesn't offer them, but certainly we have resources on our website and down below in our comments that we can provide to people who are interested in these types of products. Another area that we've seen them used in the past is with companies, where the company will actually pay the premium for the employee. As long as the employee stays with them, they continue to pay that premium. And then at retirement age 65, the employees own that policy, and they've actually been able to acquire it through those premium payments at just whatever their tax rate is. So an example on that would be that if the premium was $10,000 a year and your employer was giving you those dollars to pay the premium, you would only be responsible for your federal and state income tax and Social Security tax. So you might be paying $4,000 in taxes, but really getting a $10,000 a year benefit.
Yeah, these are incredible products for employers to consider when they're looking at employee benefits. Great for employees. So that's a really great way to utilize the product. And in terms of what the number one reason people should buy these products for, what would you say that is, Michael?
Again, we really look at it for healthcare. We think that healthcare is overlooked in most people's plans. Certainly, whether people are saving money for that in their 401k, it's not very tax efficient. because when they take money out of their 401k, it's taxable. When you're using plans like this, those dollars, if you decide to surrender the policy and take the return of premium, all of those dollars are going to be tax-free to you. So then you can turn around and use those funds to pay for your Medicare Part B and D premiums, your Medicare Supplement or Medicare Advantage plans, and any out-of-pocket dental, vision, hearing aids, any costs that would come up outside of that. So that's where we see these products really fitting into a person's overall financial plan.
Yeah, absolutely. You can use these policies for whatever you'd like, but we do talk in a lot of our videos about the importance of planning for healthcare costs in retirement. If you don't know what to expect, feel free to watch any of our other videos that cover that topic, or you can always contact us, leave a comment in the section below. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you know when we come out with new videos. And there's a little bell next to the subscribe button if you want to get an email every time we come out with a new video.